So, how did you get in touch with Academically, and how was your experience with Academically?
Actually, my brother suggested this for me.
Okay.
So I just call you. Then they even given me some concession also for me.
Okay.
And they given support for me. Like I was like very much doubtful because I did not study for past 5 to 6 years. I did not do anything. I did not attend the live session because I did not get that much time to directly attend it. So I used to go with the recording sessions.
Okay.
And I say that teaching is really excellent. I would say that.
So, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Opera Result March 2025. As you all know, you have been watching our interviews with different students who have qualified for the Opera exam with Academically. So, we have one more student with us here who has cleared her exam in the very first attempt. So, we have Aparna. So, welcome Aparna, and many congratulations to you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
How are you, Aparna? How are you feeling? जब पता चला आपको, when you got the news, how did you feel?
Actually, it was not believable for me because as it was the first attempt, so I was shocked seeing that.
Definitely. So, where are you from?
I'm from Hyderabad.
Okay, you're from Hyderabad. That's great.
Yeah.
Hyderabad is a beautiful city because we did our Med Connect events in Hyderabad as well. And we went to Hyderabad and it was a beautiful city. We all loved it there.
Yes.
Yes. So tell us about yourself. Tell us about your journey. How did you decide to choose Australia, particularly the opera exam? How did you get to know about this pathway?
Actually, I got some gap from my studies. I did not do any job. So I thought, so I got some free time now. So I thought, why don't I think about my career? So I was just searching like that. And my brother is doing his job in Australia. I just said about my thoughts to him. So he suggested me, why don't you write opera or caps? Actually, I don't know about opera. I was seeing for caps.
Yeah.
And then when I started studying for caps, I got to know that there's change in the exam. We have to go for opera.
Okay. Yeah. So, how did you get in touch with Academically, and how was your experience with Academically?
Actually, my brother suggested this for me.
Okay.
So I just call you. Then they even given me some concession also for me.
Okay.
And they given support for me. Like I was like very much doubtful because I did not study for past 5 to 6 years. I did not do anything.
Okay.
Then I asked, is it possible? My question was like, is it possible for me? So I just said them. Then they said, you can do it. Why don't you do that? We'll see.
Yeah.
So they given so much support. I could say that.
Right. So we always try to do that, Aparna, because we know that, we have our students, we believe in themselves. And then we, of course, know that the hard work you also put in, the effort that you will put in will definitely show the result. And you can see the result,
Yes.
You can see that you have shown your
I can definitely say that. I can really say that because I was not that much confident about it.
Yeah.
But that coaching and that way of teaching, that helped me a lot. Even after writing the exam, I was not sure. Your team member called me. Then they said, I think you have a possibility. Because I said them, it was like neutral.
Yeah.
And they said that if you have a possibility, you might be getting it. So I was relaxed by that time.
That's great. So, how was the course material that were provided by Academically benefited to you? Because we always make sure to give you, the mocks, the recalls. We also provide the recorded lectures. So even if you missed the live sessions, so how was it? How was the
Actually, I did not attend the live session because I did not get that much time to directly attend it. So I used to go with the recording sessions.
Okay.
And I say that teaching is really excellent. I would say that.
Yeah.
In some cases, the lecturers were repeating it many times. If they find the word there, the medicine there, the drug there, they used to repeat the previous thing also. That helped me a lot. And during 1 month before the exams, I was like revising the material which you have provided.
Yeah.
And before 10 days, I was like totally on mocks.
Oh, wow.
They helped me a lot.
Yeah.
I would say that. 50% was my preparation and 50% was from the slides
Yeah.
which you had
Correct.
provided, and 50% was like the 10 days were very crucial for me. I was going with
Yeah.
all the mocks. Even 2 to 3 days before also I was totally onto the mocks.
That's great. And I can see that you have put in a lot of effort and you have put in a lot of dedication. So you took a gap of 5, 6 years, right?
Yes.
So did it affect you in any aspect? Like, did it affect you? You were obviously a little scared because there was a gap, right?
Yes, I was scared, but the material was really helpful. I would say
Yeah.
that.
Okay. So just my last question from you, that anything that you would like to say to the academically team, any message do you have for us?
I would say, like the mocks were very important.
Yeah.
If you provide somewhat early, also that would be a very useful. I thought.
we choose the right time to provide things,
Yes,
because we
but
know that what is required.
yes, but it was somewhat hurry for me. I
Yeah.
felt like that.
Yeah.
But the previous questions are very useful. I would say that.
Yeah. And you have also been a very wonderful student. We have got the reviews and you have been a great student. And I'm surely gonna, the faculties will watch this interview, they will watch the live, and I'm gonna convey your message to them,
Yes,
obviously.
yes, that's
Definitely.
really yes.
Thank you so much, Aparna. I wish you all the very best on the behalf of whole academically team, Dr. Akram. So thank you so much for your time here, and we wish you all the very best for your future.
Yeah. Thank you for that.
Have a great time. Celebrate your time. Bye bye.
Thank you.